वेल एक्चुअली ये इवेंट में कोरियोग्राफ किया है और डिज़ाइन किया है. एक्चुअली ये शो में डिज़ाइन और कोरियोग्राफ किया है मेरा डांस कंपनी के साथ. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज मिस इंडिया इज़ वेरी स्पेशल टू मी बिकॉज जब ऐश्वर्या बिकेम मिस वर्ल्ड में उसको ट्रेन किया, प्रियंका को ट्रेन किया. सो फॉर मी ये बहुत स्पेशल है बिकॉज आई नॉर्मली ट्रेन द गर्ल्स. दिस टाइम आई एम जस्ट कोरियोग्राफिंग एंड जजिंग. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये. Well, I'm actually very happy because जब मैं उनको कोरियोग्राफ किया, ऐश्वर्या को या युक्ता मुखी को, they all won. प्रियंका को जब मैं ट्रेन किया उन लोग को, all three won. So I think I'm a lucky mascot. So next time if they come and train with me, I'm sure they'll win. I'm just fooling. But the thing is that I think that it's good that you never know. 14 years pass, but India has got the most, this time especially, they're very beautiful. They're really beautiful women. So I think it's going to be fantastic.
Who's your favorite one?
Oh my God. Some of them are my students, so I can't say. I can't be biased. I have to judge it, so I'm just waiting to see the best wins.
Is Shahid also performing? You have any idea inside here?
I choreograph Shahid right now. He's performing. Jacqueline's performing, and Karina's performing. Kanika Kapoor's performing, so I'm excited about that.
Since you're very close to Shahid, he recently confirmed that he's going to get married, so any best wishes for him?
Shahid has not told me he's getting married.
But he told the media.
He told the media he's getting married. Well, best of luck for him. I hope he gets married, and I hope he finds a good girl, which I'll first see if she's a good girl, and then I will see that he's a good boy also.
August that's wrong. My birthday is 30th of August. But thank you. I know I've been getting a lot of birthday wishes.
Internet is going around.
I know.
चित्रांगदा सबसे पहले तो इस टाइम 2015 के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
Well, I think Femina Miss India एक बहुत ही prestigious contest है और हम इसको बहुत सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं. The history behind it is amazing. So yeah, I'm very excited today. आज मैं judge. I think this is the second time I'm judging, so I'm very happy to be here.
क्या खास होने वाला है फेमिना?
I think बहुत interesting performances हैं and of course जो girls हैं I've heard are there's a very good lot of people and it'll be very tough to judge them. So let's see what happens. Let's see who wins.
What are the three things you look into whenever somebody walks through them?
For me, I think confidence is probably the most beautiful thing. Na overconfidence ho, na under ho, but I think it's the right kind of comfort that you have with yourself. I think that is very important. And honesty, a certain amount of genuineness should be there, and an attitude. I think that's important. How do I define beauty? I think, see, beauty to me, like I say, I think confidence is a very beautiful thing. A lot of times, you may not have the absolute perfect face, लेकिन एक जो आपका अपना एक self belief होता है, confidence जो होता है, I think that is very attractive in a person. So that's very important. Without that, I think even a very beautiful person is not so attractive for me. Yeah.
Chitrangada, now we heard that you're joining producer now. Please surprise
I'm still working at it, so we'll make an announcement soon.
Or is it there in the pipeline?
It is in the pipeline.
Chitrangada, do you wish to fall in love again? Do we see you getting married?
Well, we'll see about that. Anything else?
चित्रांगदा इतनी सारी मॉडल्स हैं, कोई आपकी फेवरेट हो जो आप चाहते हैं कि जीते हो?
I've heard there's a girl called Nafisa Hope. I don't know her right name. Tanya Hope. Sorry. Yes. I think she's interesting. Yeah.
It's been almost 14 years for Miss World or Miss Universe India ka gold. What's your reaction on that?
What's my reaction on that? I think, well, I mean, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I don't think it's something that can happen every single year. But जो एक Indian presence है globally is only increasing every year. Whether it is, whether it is to do with the girls from here, whether it is the cinema, whether it is, everything, the businesses. India is really becoming more and more global. So yeah, I think I'm sure one of the girls tonight will go and do something on the international. Well, there isn't much actually. I think I'm the wrong person to answer. I don't think I should be answering that. Yeah.
Tell us about something what your role in the film. If you can.
Well, that's. I mean, when we do announce the film, I think we'll come to it. It's. I think Sudhir Mishra should be answering the question.
So what can you say with Mr. Bachchan?
Sorry,
You're working with Mr. Bachchan.
I haven't yet worked with him. I would love to work with him. If I can ever get a chance to work with Mr. Bachchan, I think he's. You know, I think he's one of the absolute stalwarts of Indian cinema. You know, so that would be like your career is complete when you work with him. So it would be great. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
In the camera. So, we are really excited to be here. We've been associated with Times of India for the last 20 years.
Probably even more. God, it's been many years, yeah. And Miss
Selected-
India has been a fantastic contest, and they've produced some phenomenal winners for the country. Let's hope we find a winner again.
So you all have designed the costume.
No, we're just judging now.
So what is the three most important things for a winner or a comes stage?
Beauty with brains, I think. Yeah.
Beauty with humor, a mix of everything, a whole complete woman.
That's it. Thank you.
So where do you want them to stand after the bite? Tell me. यहाँ पे? पूरे.
Well, it's always, I look here. Okay. What am I looking for? Very difficult. Whenever you're judging, you ask this question, what are you going to be looking for? There are a lot of beautiful people, but it's that X factor that I always look for. It's something that cannot be described, but when you look at it, it touches you, and it's something just a little bit more than just a beautiful face. That's what I would look for.
सोनाली इस बार फेमिना में क्या अलग होने वाला है क्या कुछ खास होने वाला है बताना
I'm judging. अलग है, खास है, हाँ? No, but I think every year बहुत सारी यहाँ पे I think हर साल बहुत सारी लड़कियाँ बहुत सारे सपने लेके आती हैं और ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है, बहुत लोगों के करियर्स यहाँ से टेक ऑफ किए हैं. So आई एम श्योर ये बात ही बहुत खास है कि एक सेट ऑफ न्यू गर्ल्स विल बी लॉन्च्ड सो टू से एंड it's always a pleasure to watch beautiful faces.
क्या क्वालिटीज देखती है आप एक
जैसे मैंने अभी बताया कि where I'm concerned, I definitely look for the X factor also.
who is your favorite today?
That is a secret.
So now it's been almost 14 years for Miss India, Miss Universe, Miss World, for India citizenship, and you want your reaction on that?
I think maybe इसीलिए ये टाइटल्स बहुत स्पेशल होते हैं क्योंकि इतनी इजी आई शुड से इट हियर राइट सॉरी आई जस्ट से इट हियर आई थिंक इतने सालों में मिस इंडिया मिस यूनिवर्स हमारे यहाँ आए नहीं है टाइटल्स लेकिन इसीलिए ये टाइटल्स इतने स्पेशल होते हैं क्योंकि ये ईजी नहीं होते हैं मिलना लेट्स होप दैट इस साल हमारे पास कुछ ऐसी लड़कियाँ हैं जो इन टाइटल्स को वापस हमारे देश में लेके आए
सोनाली आप
आपका टीवी शो कुछ खास कमाल नहीं दिखा पाया तो आप कोई नया शो अब नेक्स्ट करेंगे
आई थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बहुत अच्छा चला है वो इट वॉज अ 6-month शो विच वेंट ऑन फॉर 7.5 months फॉर मी सो इससे ज़्यादा वक्त मैं उसको नहीं दे सकती I am taking a break because abhi it was too much of time to give and my son is too young. I need to give him the time. So it's I'm definitely for a few months taking a break and then I'll think about it.
सोनाली गर्ल पावर की बात हो रही है यहाँ पर
जी?
सानिया गर्ल पावर की बात हो रही है तो सानिया नेहवाल जो है बैडमिंटन की फर्स्ट प्लेयर चुनी गई है
जी.
वर्ल्ड
So I have to say that I'm a very, very, very big fan of Sania Nehwal. I think she's a wonderful, not only a player, but I love the way, I love her energy. Okay. I'm a very big fan of Sania Nehwal and I think she's a fantastic player. She's also a fabulous, I love the energy that she has and I think she's someone whom I look up to.
Sonali, Katrina Kaif ने अभी backstage and play किया है. Have you seen the pictures or?
No, I haven't.
कोई और आप क्या चाहती हैं किसी का backstage बनना चाहिए?
I have no comments on that.
थैंक यू मैम
Thank you.
Could you please be your favorite?
Sure.